Alright, Barber Trends is open now. Let's have a look. So ayan, we have a coffee table, chair and chairs outside. That's 4 chairs actually, but I just put the other 2 chairs inside. Let's check it out. Barber Trends, trading hours. It means every fortnight I'm having Wednesdays off, and every fortnight Sunday off. So it's basically I'm working 6 days. So I'm swapping the 2 Wednesday and Sunday off once in fortnight. This is our workstation. Let's have a look. Extra clippers. We have our sanitizer for brushes and safety container for used blades. Look at this. We have our uniform, and this is what it says at the back of our uniform. I am a barber. I don't stop when I'm tired. I stop when I'm done.